The broken toy machine in the snowy North Pole. The elves' toy-making machine suddenly broke down just days before Christmas. With gifts unfinished, panic filled the workshop, especially because one little boy who had an accident wished for a wheelchair. The elves called upon the wise Elder Elf, who repaired the machine and helped them catch up, proving that teamwork and kindness can save Christmas. One machine, one elder. A very giving Christmas. In the North Pole, Christmas was always magical. The elves worked day and night, building toys for children everywhere. But one snowy evening, the great toy-making machine sputtered, clanked, and stopped. The leader elf gasped, "Oh no, the machine is broken. We can't finish the toys." The elves worried most about one special gift, a wheelchair for a little boy who had an accident. His wish list had touched their hearts. The elves whispered together, "We must call Elder Elwyn, the wisest elf of all." Elwyn arrived with his toolbox. He examined the gears, wires, and levers. He smiled kindly. "This machine can be fixed, but it will take teamwork." The elves cheered. They fetched tools, tightened bolts, and polished gears. Slowly, the machine whirred back to life. The workshop sparkled again. The elves worked faster than ever. Dolls, trains, and books rolled off the machine. And finally, the wheelchair was finished strong, shiny, and wrapped with ribbons. Santa arrived. He saw the teamwork. He hugged Elder Elwyn. "You've saved Christmas," he said. The elves giggled louder, their sparkle lighting the room. Finally, the toys were loaded onto Santa's sleigh. The little boy received his wheelchair. He laughed with joy, his heart glowing. Santa declared, "Let joy be mended." From then on, the North Pole celebrated Repair Parade Day, where children learn that fixing, helping, and forgiving are part of Christmas magic. And Elder Elwyn, still wise, still kind, still the sparkle of Christmas cheer. Again, let's rhyme with Elwyn. In Santa's shop, where snowflakes fall, the toy machine broke. No toys at all. The elves called Elwyn, so clever and sweet. He fixed the machine, made Christmas complete. The wheelchair was built, the boys' joy so bright. Christmas was saved on that snowy night. Now every year, they dance and sing. At Repair Parade Day, joy takes wing. Words of the day from the learning section before we end our story. Let's learn 5 words of the day together. Repeat after me, children, and let's giggle while we learn. Machine, say machine, your turn. Broken, say broken, your turn. Boy, say boy, your turn. Wheelchair, say wheelchair, your turn. Bright, say bright, your turn. Wonderful, you've learned 5 new words today. Just like Elder Elwyn and the elves, your giggles can light up Christmas. Let your kindness be a daily sunrise, rising quietly, shining gently, and warming every heart it touches. Let's spread a dash of kindness every day. Have a very Merry Christmas. Please subscribe to the J channel for kids. Thank you.